So if you need to see some magnification,
That's hurting my eyes.
y'all can see it like that. Howdy everybody, good morning. So this morning is Friday morning, and man, we went to this epic
indoor yard sale.
It was like an estate sale because the woman's sister died, but the family was running it, and we were the first ones in there, and we got some cool stuff. We got a lot of stuff. As y'all
can see.
We filled up 2 IKEA bags, that bag, and the trunk.
And another bag.
Buddy, I was in there with my GoPro on, my bag, you know, and I was showing y'all all this, that, and the other. And we get out here to the car, and guess what? I didn't even have it on.
Rookie mistake.
Man, oh man. But we're going to show y'all the stuff we got because we spent $162 on everything. Alrighty, guys and gals. So we got the situation. Lord, we got a situation. So let me get over here and I'll show you. So we putting this table back here, okay, to make our shipping area longer so we can pull the orders and pack them, you know, not be so cramped. So we're putting 2 tables here. Now right here's what we're trying to figure out. So because I'm wanting, when we do our live shows, I'd like to have like something like that be our backdrop, you know what I mean? So, but I can't really just put this desk out in the middle of the aisle. So without going to buy furniture, you know, we're just making this work. So I think we can leave this desk like we got it. Put the computer monitor right here, okay? And we got another little table back there that house like the cleaning stuff and that kind of deal. That barrel. Probably put the Dymo over there maybe, I don't know, we'll see. And that kind of deal. And I need it kind of right here for my lights. So we can use our lights for our live shows and that kind of deal if we go on other people's channels. So that's where we're at now. Just trying to figure that stuff out. And still no sign of the mouse yet. I think he's on to us. But we got to get this finished up. It is currently 10 to 11 Central Time. We still got to pack our orders, pull our orders, get all this stuff reorganized, go to Walmart, do a pickup, mop, that kind of deal. So it's gonna be a day. Alrighty, guys and gals, so here's our orders going out for today. I'm gonna do it this way instead of pulling the orders because I mean our shop's a wreck right now and we got to get this done, so this way we're gonna do it today. The first thing we sold is this lot of 5 Julia Quinn books. You can see these right here. It's 5 of them. And this is from that book lot we picked up at that yard sale. These sold for $8.40 plus shipping. The next thing we're going to show you is these books here. These are Lisa Cleopas. I have no idea. 3 of them. And these sold for $6.96 plus shipping. Now we sold this PS2 Fat. It's got the network adapter on the back of it. It's got the power cord, the AV cord, 1 controller. And tested and working, and this sold pretty quickly for $59.46 plus shipping. Next thing we sold is some switch flop straps. A lot of 3 of them right here. They go for Lindsay Phillips sandals. You can like replace the straps on them. So we got these 3 right here. They're all sizes 7, 8, and these sold for $13.92 plus shipping. The next thing we sold is these Go-Go Harley Quinn boots, like cosplay type deals. And these ended up selling. These weren't near as good as I figured they'd be, but we still made a little. These sold for $24.46 plus shipping. Next thing we sold is this Pez car from M2 Machines. It's limited to 7,800 pieces, Walmart exclusive. You'll see that there. This sold for $8.54 plus shipping. Sold this vintage AAU Central patch. It's pretty rough, y'all can see that there. And this sold for $5.56 plus shipping. It's a swimming patch. And last but not least is this Luthero 3XL Irma. It's kind of a gold color. You'll see that. And for this, we ended up getting $13.99 plus shipping. So, not too bad today. This our orders going out. We're going to get all this stuff packed up and take and drop off so we can get back here and work. Alrighty, guys and gals, so we're going to give you a quick tour of where we're at right now in here. We're still figuring stuff out, but y'all come on. So, nothing over here has changed at all. That pile's growing. We did move this whole table out that was right here. See, this table's gone now. And I'll show you where we put it. this thing right here gets in the way. So what we did here, okay, we just put our desk here like I was talking about. We got our monitor here. And put that little table over there to clean stuff on. So whenever I'm listening to stuff, she can clean the stuff, set it there, whatnot, you know. And this way, when we're doing our live shows, we got this stuff in the background. So hopefully this will work out. It's just hard to get these big old, we need littler chairs, I guess.
Or stools.
Yeah, because I'm trying to get this little corner as the shot. Show off all my goodies. So that's the goal with that. So we'll test it out tonight. And this is just stuff we bought for here, you know. So we put this that was over there. It goes to the top of that desk. I just sit it up here. I got to get me some tacks for this to mount right here, you know, for the scale. I changed out my impulse sealer thing here, and we're gonna get us a cut hook to hang this from. But we'll do that later on. We got our light up there, so y'all kind of brighten this up a little bit, you know, when we're over in here. Really mount another one over there. This is all our yard sale haul. We're gonna go over here in a minute. I got this thing turned it this way, so whenever I'm packing boxes here, I can just pull what I need into it, you know, make efficiency.
And as y'all know, that right there is the second table that was at the front.
Yeah, we put it back here because it was to the point where we're pulling orders like on Mondays, or if we had a big sales day, I was pulling them all, sitting them on the table, and then we're trying to pack in a little bitty spot like this, you know. This way we can have our areas to do both.
Pack and slide.
So here's what we picked up at the yard sale. We're gonna go ahead and show y'all this stuff. I walked in, sorry I didn't get no footage. I was trying. Like I was talking to you guys and gals, I was showing y'all all this cool stuff, and my GoPro wasn't even turned on.
Rookie mistake.
So anyhow, we got this bag right here is full. She had a lot of these audio CDs, and I mean there's just all kinds down in here. Audio books on CDs. That bag's full. There's like 12 layers in this bag. Not really, but there's a lot.
I think there's 3 layers in that bag.
Like, if I had to imagine, and then we got 2 IKEA bags full.
Slap full.
I don't know how many we got. I'll count them up, but I know we got a few hundred. I mean, we got
all those bags are full.
I ain't never seen so many in all my life. We got a bunch of them. She wanted $3 a piece. I said, what would you do if I bought all of them? She said, all of them? I said, all of them. And she cut me a deal. She said, how about $120?
Well, we didn't necessarily buy all of them because she also had some on cassette tape.
Yeah,
we didn't want.
We didn't want the cassette tapes. These are all CDs. And there's a lot of the same author in here. So we can make lots out of them. I mean, all kinds of. But paid $120 altogether out of all this stuff was $160. So I mean, we'll break it down however you want.
The majority of it was the audio books.
Picked up this Milano number 7 pasta maker. It's got the handle with it. See this here? Picked that up. Got some expired black Epson 273 ink, expired last year. Got this brand new RCA FM radio cassette player. These right here are pretty cool. Y'all need to look these things up. I almost didn't buy them, and of course said look them up, so I did. It's a Precision Spectra remote control kit, and then the precision charging system. I mean, these things can sell for big money. Like, I can't remember right off, anywhere between 50 and $200. So paid $1 a piece on them. Got this right here, little charm box, and it's got a little charm in there. And it's from Lester Lampart, and this is gold here. It's marked right there, gold, 10 karat. So paid $1 for that. Courtney picked these up. They're some kind of.
That's Clinique Happy Heart.
Clinique Happy Heart and
Lady in Red.
Lady in Red perfumes.
50 cents a piece.
50 cents a piece. She also picked up this little trinket pill box here. Porcelain. We've been doing good on them trinket boxes while we got it.
I thought those were cool. If nothing else, we'll keep them.
Oh, it's the first time I'm seeing these. Look, Santa Claus and Missy's Santa Claus. Salt and pepper shakers.
They sit next to each other. They're
Made
on
in
rockers.
Japan.
Look. They're sitting in rockers.
Ain't that cute?
I thought they were cute.
And then I found this right here. It's a case made in USA fillet knife. See that? The blade's been ground a little bit, sharpened a lot, but still a nice knife, vintage. And I bet that puppy's sharp. Paid $1 for that. I bought this, and I'm not sure why. This is a kit, and it's got these things here. Let me show you. Got these things here like this. So if you need to see some magnification,
That's hurting my eyes.
y'all can see it like that. Got that. Paid. I don't know how much for it, but I got it. And it's got the little lenses in the box with it. Got this new. It's a Wonder Art latch and hook eagle and flag. It was a bug. Got this Verizon MiFi jetpack. Got this. I thought this was a Teddy Ruxpin whenever I was buying it. Touch me here. It may be a Teddy. Is it a Teddy Ruxpin?
Look on the tag.
It ain't got a tag.
Open it back. I don't know. We can put batteries in it and test them.
Yeah, I don't know what. I thought it was a Teddy Ruxpin at first, but I think it's just some kind of vintage little talking bear. It says "Touch me here," but he ain't got no batteries in him. But I got him, and then we also picked this right here up. See this right here? It's a little double barrel gun. See this? Little bitty. It's broken, rusted. See how rusty it is and pitted? But I picked this thing up and I was looking at it, and then right here it says Daisy. You know, Daisy. The BB Guns made this. Now I don't know if it was a BB gun or a cap gun or what.
It's a good wall piece.
But I thought that was cool.
I wouldn't chance shooting it.
I don't think it does anything like it's broke.
Mm.
So I don't know. Well, we got that because I thought it was neat as could be. Somebody could redo that. Maybe. Last but not least, we're planning on this being huge money because I heard on the news they're sellouts. Dixie Chicks CD. Bought this from my daughter for her to listen to. See that CD? But yeah, Dixie Chicks announced they're changing their name to The Chicks because Dixie is offensive. So hopefully this will go up in value because they were horrible before the name change, and they're probably going to be even worse now. So
That's rude.
anyhow, sellouts. So this is the stuff we got. Hopefully we can make some good money on it. It was $160 on everything. I think we got some pretty decent stuff.
There's a few good authors that I know of in here.
These right here should pay just about everything back as Gold Charm, and these two, that should make our money back and put us a profit, hopefully. I also got this big box of stuff in. Y'all probably seen it sitting here. It's just a bunch of cords. I mean, there's all kinds of cables and cords. Look, that's something to do with Dell there.
It's a computer charger.
All kinds of power cords and bricks and stuff. Actually, HDMI cables. I got this box from my brother and from one of his pallets he done, so we got to go through that stuff and list it. Cords always do good though. Alrighty guys and gals, that's gonna do it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Wasn't much, well, we were rushing around, but I couldn't film too much. I filmed just moving stuff, but then we had music blaring, so I was afraid I'd get copyrighted, so I couldn't show that. We got a good haul today, so that's great, and we got to start working on that. I pulled out the first 2 little bags, and so far we're at 100, and I've not even touched the IKEA bags yet, so there's a lot in there.
I told him just to give up.
But we're going to be live tonight on Eric OBX Picker's channel at 7 p.m. So if y'all are free, make sure to swing over there and say howdy howdy. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. And we're trying to put out new videos every single day that we're able to, which is most days. We may miss one here or there. And some videos may be great and better than the other ones. Some days they may be boring and mediocre. I don't know. That's just how life is.
So if you like what we put out, make sure to smash the thumbs up button as well as the notification bell so you can watch future videos.
Yeah, or when we go live, we're going to be going back to our Sunday normal time, hopefully this weekend. So we'll do our normal Sunday live show at 1 p.m. May push it up, depending on people's church, how many people show up, that kind of deal. But until tomorrow, guys and gals, you all stay safe wherever you're at, and we'll see y'all then.
Bye, y'all.